Hello guys, today I've got OneOdio FOCUS A5 headphones and I'm going to show you how to clean them. So, to clean your headphones safely you need to follow actually 3 steps. The first step, prepare basic supplies. Like supplies needed are cotton swabs like Q-tips I do have here, microfiber cloth, mild dish soap or gentle cleanser, warm water, and isopropyl alcohol, which is actually optional for dry. So, cleaning procedure is the second thing, the second step. You need to actually remember that ear cushions, like they are protein leather and memory foam. Now you need to lightly dampen a microfiber cloth with warm water and a tiny drop of dish soap. Then you need to wipe down this exterior right here, the right exterior of the earbuds. Remove oils and sweat. Do not submerge or saturate them, as moisture can damage the internal memory foam. Wipe dry immediately with a clean section of the cloth. When it comes to the mesh girdles and inner drivers, dust out any debris on the inner speaker mesh using a dry, soft, bristled brush. And a completely dry cotton swab. Never press hard spray liquids directly onto the inner driver area. When it comes to the headband and plastic frame right here, you need to dampen first your microfiber cloth with water, or add of course 70% isopropyl alcohol solution for stubborn dirt. Then wipe down the headband pad, sliding arms and outer plastic ear cups. When it comes to the microphones and port cutouts, you need to dip a dry cotton swab around the USB Type-C port, balance and tiny AC microphone pinholes to clear dust without letting liquid get inside. Here, and here this vent, but I don't think that it's that necessary. And the step number 3, important care rules. It's actually not a step, but you know what I mean. These headphones are not waterproof. This FOCUS A5 headphones have no IP waterproof rating. Never submerge them in water or hold them under a running faucet. Avoid solvents. Do not use bleach, acetone or harsh chemical sprays, which will crack the FOCUS leather and degrade the plastic. Air dry. Ensure the headphones are completely dry before turning them back on or plugging in the USB Type-C cable to charge. That's it. Bye!